So it's Tuesday, the 10th of October 2022, and there has already been massive frost in the west of England, but the east of England is relatively good. This is the danger. The danger is that when there's frost, the plants die and the slugs come up. God knows from where. They're always around. So I've had to pluck off 3 bulbs of the ones that are low hanging. But I haven't plucked them all off. I've kept most of them on, but I have plucked off 3 bulbs. But there's a lot more which I've kept on, and they're not, I couldn't really take them off because they're not right. So here they are. This is bowl 1. That's a 30cm ruler. That's bowl 2, and I've already taken in a 3rd bowl. The sky is 16 degrees centigrade and it's really beautiful, sunny. But this is the danger. At night time it gets frosty and the tomatoes will die, and the frost will kill the plants and the slugs will get everywhere. So I want to take off the ones right at the bottom